Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King, and for today we're gonna make a winter wonderland centerpiece. Before we get into this video, I just want to encourage my new viewers, or those of you who have not had the chance to subscribe to my channel, to subscribe for a variety of DIY projects. Now I'm gonna start out by letting you know the things that you're gonna need. Most of these items will come from Dollar Tree and Walmart. So you're gonna need 2 cylinder vases like this from the Dollar Tree. You're gonna need a candle holder from the Dollar Tree, floral foam, Dollar Tree, about 10 bushes of poinsettias from the Dollar Tree. This time I have white, and they have like a little silver center. I also have these silver glitter branches from the Dollar Tree. And I think that's about it from the Dollar Tree. Now, some of these items may not make the cut because I just have a vision in my mind. So depending on how things play out, I might add or I might subtract some of these items as before when I did my other centerpiece. But I have like this turquoise bling wrap. Now initially I did want to use silver, but since we are doing a winter wonderland centerpiece, it's okay to have some blue up in there. So I have this. Now I want to bring that color here into the arrangement. So I'm either going to insert these. I might insert them, I may not. These turquoise, I think they're peonies, or I picked these up from Walmart. So I might insert this. I gotta see how it looks once I put the arrangement together. And then to bring some silver into the vase, I do have this silver glitter ribbon here. Not sure if I'm gonna use it, but I have it just in case. Then I was able to find only 1 snowflake from Walmart, but it is so beautiful, and I wish that I had 2 because for a centerpiece, you know, you need to make the front and the back of the centerpiece the same. You got to give it the same design. I do have some other items. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use them, but I might use some ornaments. I might use some crystal beaded string like in my last centerpiece, and I'm gonna post a picture and let you see how that centerpiece turned out. And then I have some E6000 to glue my vase together, hot glue gun, and a wire cutter. So these are the things you're gonna need, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. see, I built this centerpiece in one day. Please do not do that. You want to allow 24 hours for the E6000 to really bond. So I went ahead and just threw it together today for the sake of this tutorial. I added a push light at the base, and you definitely will see that in the intro and the outro of this video. But I am very happy with the way this centerpiece turned out. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. As you can see, I did not add the silver ribbon. I did not add any of the turquoise flowers because I just thought that it looked beautiful without those items being added. I thought maybe I would drape some ornaments here. I felt like it did not need that, so maybe you could. I did go ahead and put my snowflake here. This was actually a brooch, so I had to use my wire cutter and take all the backing off of it. And I used some E6000 and some hot glue to place this here. All right, so please feel free to share this video. Also, if you have not had the chance to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so now. I thank you so much for joining me. Until I see you next time.